Antenna installation with a 3D LNB. Hello! First you need to go into the satellite signal check and configure the satellite to which the antenna will be installed. This is reviewed in video 7.1. Also, you need to enable the use of a 3D LNB and enter its serial number there. Next, open the Antenna Pointing tab. In the orbital position and satellite, the satellite to which the antenna will be installed must be indicated. If there are no problems with determining the location, the application will display the coordinates and indicate the location on the map. If the application cannot determine the coordinates, then you must switch to manual input and enter them. The location is necessary for calculating the azimuth elevation and rotation angle of the LNB. Next, you need to specify the manufacturer and model of the dish. If your dish isn't listed, video 7.3 will show you how to add a custom dish. Then, paying attention to the LNB rotation scale, set the LNB rotation angle in the LNB holder until a green scale appears, and OK is written. Similarly, on the dish tilt scale, we set the dish tilt angle until the green scale appears, and the inscription OK. On the map and the location of the houses, you can clearly orient yourself in the direction to the satellite. There is a speaker icon in the upper left corner. If you click on it, a tonal sound will appear, proportional to the received signal level. After that, we change the indicator mode into Signal plus Spectrum and control the signal level. Next, we turn the dish left and right until the maximum signal level is reached. Finally, press the blind storage button to make sure that the dish is pointed to the desired satellite. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will always be aware of our latest news and developments.